This video is part 2 of basic store branding. This is the slightly less critical stuff. Once you get your name, images, and description set up, there are a few more parameters you can tweak to design the user experience of your store page. To get to where we edit them, go to your Seller Hub and find Selling Tools. Click the See My Store link. Once you're there, select Manage My Store. On the fabulous Manage My Store page, scroll down and click Edit Store next to the mustard-covered paintbrush. If you scroll down, there are some more options to jazz up your store. Featured listings are items for sale that you choose to have displayed prominently at the top of your page. You don't have to do this, and it's an aesthetic and marketing decision, which is totally up to you. If you want to try it, click the first plus to select a listing. eBay will show you all the stuff in your store, and you can choose something that you want to highlight. Do this for all 4 items. In terms of the order that you want to display them, you can choose Newly Listed, which is self-explanatory, or you can choose Ending Soonest, which is somewhat obsolete. Now that eBay renews all fixed price listings automatically, this is going to be a somewhat arbitrary order unless you are showcasing auction listings. If you don't want to show any featured listings, either ones you select or ones that eBay selects for you, which apparently it sometimes does, click this checkbox here. The listing section determines how buyers will see your store contents on your store page. You can choose the order, and again, I think this is pretty much a personal marketing decision. You can also choose whether users get the gallery view or the list view initially, though they can change that option themselves. Finally, there's the category type. If you've just set up your store recently, you probably haven't added custom categories yet, which are called store categories here. Those are great, and we'll go over how to add them in another video, but for now, choose eBay categories. Then hit Publish. Here are your featured items. Here is your left sidebar navigation by eBay category. Now, you might not see your items displayed in the gallery versus list format or the order that you chose. I believe this is because eBay is reading your cookies and showing you the information based on your selections as a user, not as a store manager. If you want to see how another user would view your store, copy your URL. And did you notice that you have this cool URL with your store name? And paste it into an incognito window. So that's it for the basics of customizing your store branding, look, and user experience. Thanks, and take care.